Here we go, Country Coffee, Jackson's new Hot Country 101.5. School closings and delays, winter weather watch brought to you by Unleashed and Lovin' It, Jackson's premier doggy daycare and boarding facility. All these schools are closed. Addison, Albion, Columbia, Da Vinci, Grass Lake, Jackson Christian, Jackson Prep and Early College, Leslie Public, Michigan Center Schools, Napoleon Schools, Northwest Schools, and Springport Schools. Enjoy that what is now a 4-day weekend. I keep looking. Jackson Radio Works is not on the list. They're still working at Ford, too, just to let you know.
I believe they're building trucks without me today.
They are? That'll be done. That'll be done. Ray Smetana. We got Craig Owens. We got TJ. We got Jeremy Vaughn. We got Keith Monsky. TJ, I don't even know how to pronounce your last name. That's why I skipped it. What is it?
Slatina.
Slatina. That'll be the only time you hear me say that. TJ Slatina. Because that could really slip and go in a bad direction. Let's see. We've got another tune. White Lightning performing live tomorrow night at the Roadhouse, Lansing Avenue, 9 o'clock show. Get there, order your beers. They will be fresh.
Get there early, get some food. They got great food at the Roadhouse.
Really good food, too. Really good food. So now we have 5/5. 5/5, or the full complement. We have a quorum here.
You could even say one if you said 5/5.
We could, but it's all of White Lightning.
Be confusing.
It would be. It would be very confusing. White Lightning live show tomorrow night at the Roadhouse. What are we guys do? What are you going to do there?
Little Waylon Jennings.
Oh, you can't go wrong with Waylon. Here we go.
It's the same old tune. Fiddle and guitar. We do the taking from here. Four rounds on flutes and Johnny Carr.
Country 101.5. Check them out live tomorrow night, 9 o'clock show at the Roadhouse in beautiful, sunny Jackson, Michigan, right off of Lansing Avenue. They'll be there live. The drinks are cold, the beer is just delicious, and the food is even better. Coming up for you, more on Country and Coffee with White Lightning. Come on. Well, looks like we're having some fun with our computer. There it goes.
Country and
Supposed to be
Country
Country 101.5 brought to you by American Jiffy Tax.
Removing some of the tax burden from working class families.
We got your leg in there, TJ.
Says people at a certain income
Jeremy's
level are
leg.